This service is the process that flushes or drains the old brake fluid along with any air bubbles, debris, and rust, and then replaces it with new, clean brake fluid. First, your mechanic will connect a line to each wheel. This line then feeds back to a brake flushing machine. Once the machine is properly secured to the reservoir and there are no leaks, your mechanic will activate the machine, which acts like a vacuum and pulls out the old fluid while simultaneously adding the new brake fluid. The flush is complete when the fluids in all lines run clear. It is recommended to replace your brake fluid every 4 to 6 years, or every 80 to 120,000 kilometers. However, it is always best to follow the guidelines outlined in your owner's manual. Your brakes are an essential part of your vehicle. Over time, brake fluid absorbs moisture from the humidity in the air. In this case, water is bad, as it has a much lower boiling point than brake fluid, and those brakes, they can get hot. If this mixture starts to boil, it will create gas bubbles, and gas is compressible. When you press your brake pedal to slow your car down, that force is just compressing gas. And this can diminish your stopping ability. Not a situation anyone wants to be in. Stay tuned for more Tech Talk videos by Ontario Motor Sales. Thanks for watching!